don't try, never show my pack. If you don't cry, just move that tag. That's trash, thought I never really say this. Call my music on my ex playlist. Just say 613, that's the greatest. But I never see no.
What do we got here? GTR. It's a GTR. What is going on, my COVID party people? We're about to go to H20I. I was gonna take my Cadillac, but I saw a bunch of stuff on Facebook. Everybody's getting pulled over for having a loud car, so I went out, rented me a car so we can film some people getting their stuff towed. So we're gonna have a good time. We gotta go pick up Bertos. I got the extended protection plan for this rental car, which means the whole car is covered in case of anything. So we're just gonna.
Oh my God, Anthony!
We're gonna hit these speed bumps. See how this bitch does. Here we go.
No!
Woo!
Yo, you're geeking.
That shit got fucking air.
Okay, chill.
One more time.
No, you're gonna break it.
One more time.
We need to at least get the Anthony.
This bitch really got some good suspension though.
Stop.
Like a hero in my city, call me super up next. I ain't got no voice, I'm about to change that.
Oh, you can go ahead. You can go ahead. Yep. Before we have a long journey ahead, we got to get some Chick-fil-A's, you know, because it's crazy. This is the first time ever that there was no line at Chick-fil-A.
Really hope they get this.
Look at this guy, right?
Good morning.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Not much. What's the name for your order?
Javier.
All right. How may I serve you today?
Let me get. Oh, dang, you're not doing breakfast? I thought you did to 11.
Oh no. On Saturdays we do it to 11, but every other day it's 10:30.
What do you want?
Do they have anything left? Because it's 9 minutes past. Do they have anything left?
I just asked them for one of them up there, and they said no. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God. Let me just get a
Yeah. All right.
So.
Me, my nigga, hot inside of space cool. Still chasing bills like I'm in a race, so stay with my day ones, it ain't no day twos. Ran it up and now I'm to the bank too. Me, my nigga, hot inside of space cool. Still chasing bills like I'm in a race, so stay with my day ones, it ain't no day twos. Ran it up and now I'm to the bank too. Got that baby in LA, oh my. Why she tryna be my bae, I know why. Chasing God every day, oh I. Young nigga steady case, oh.
Turn up, big turn up, yarn! Big turn up! No, let me hear that, let me hear that, let me hear that, let me hear that.
Made it here.
You want a shot?
It is.
You take a fat shot.
Right, go ahead, Berto.
I think a fair shot?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Go ahead.
The time is like, there you
You are unstoppable.
go. This boy's probably not asleep, man.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy.
She's a goddess, so wish from a star in my heart. Oh, yeah. Dance with me, and I'll sing to you a symphony. Won't you kiss me? Shut me up, please. Dance with me, and I'll sing to you in my heart.
And we can just dance in the moonlight. And these are the times that it feels right. And when I'm with you, I do not hide. You the light to the night, you my moonlight.
Okay, sorry guys, pause. Look at this. This is really pretty. Whoever this is, props.
Yo, got on our knees for the car though. V2. Hopefully, I'm just trying to get one of these.
Like, I want you to do marbles so
Comment down below if you think I should just get rid of the caddy to you guys, to one of you guys, and just cop a V2. I think that's what I should do, for real. Hell yeah. Do a burnout, Chad.
For the tip. Mom tip.
Oh, nice ride, man. Oh, big money, big money. You got them fake hundreds though, boy.
3 hours later.
This guy just wants to be asleep the whole time. So he's gonna get a little shot. Little shot. Yeah. Yep. Got a little on his hand now. Because he wants to fucking be a bushka.
Oh my god.
I had to just rub one out real quick, you know? I just don't understand why he was so hyped to like come out here and have a good time and he's just laying there. So he gets a little bit of splash on his hand, you know? But check this out.
A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view.
If you see your car, post a comment below so I can tag you in it. You know what I'm saying? We can work. I don't know how that works, but just if you see yourself on here, I'll send you little snippets and stuff if you need to, Instagram, all that stuff. So we're gonna.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! What the shit are you doing?
What did he do wrong? Y'all got all my money for real.
$14.50. We got you.
Oh yeah, that's how you get bargains. You know what I'm saying? Oh god. Let's see what we got here. All right, it wasn't very hard to go search for a mask. Jesus Christ, what are you doing? You're spilling everywhere. Put it back on. So I got me a nice little mask. You know what I'm saying? COVID. Wait. Ew.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga. Fake joint, yes, bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about the price, wanna thinking about the price. I chase straight from the dark shit. No tape when I play with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a guy since the last run. No stats in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that they never really own. Track to the place, back.
Alright, we're not being very successful with getting people to do burnouts.
Let me see some.
Look at this WRX though. It's got a cool baby.
Yo!
It's periwinkle.
Let me hear that ping pong pow.
Excuse me, is that periwinkle?
Ping pong pow.
Oh, look at that dent, baby.
Can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah?
That shit sounded weak to me. Can I get a oh yeah?
On 3. Yo! Can I get a oh yeah? Wait.
That shit sounded weak to me. Can I get a oh yeah? It's a lot better.
We out here H20 lit.
Yeah,
yo, H20, follow me, you feel me? Catch this, bro. I got you. Whatever YouTube vlog
Big smoke.
Buck 12, bitch.
Light skin, tatted, ass fat.
That you had
Let's go!
Let's go!
Come to the left, come to the left.
You
want to pose in front of the police car. Hey, do a pull. Look at that guy. Let's go. Oh shit. Look at that. Yeah, light him up, bro. Light him up. Light him up.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Okay.
How's everything, guys? What's going on? What's up? California!
Steve-O, yeah,
What's up? California!
Would you let Danny Duncan do that?
Yes, sir.
This shit is fucking fire, bro.
Yeah, get me on this.
Alright, so it's our last day here. A lot of people already left, and the cops, they're starting to slow down, but we did get a couple nice little burnout stuff going on. We're probably gonna do a couple of little things, you know what I'm saying, guys? But also, if you haven't already, go down right below. I got some new merch coming soon. Well, it's already on the page, but I got masks and then little fanny pack thingies. So we're about to go probably do some go-karts. We just ate because we hungry. Shout out to man Benny Design Studio. I found your sticker, bro. Fuck yeah. All right, guys, so made it to the go-kart stuff. We're probably gonna do the drift track. I kind of want to do the, if that's open, the, what's that? Batting cages and stuff. So we're gonna do that. See if Hayley can get loosey-goosey. Have some fun. Okay.